Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to Kings Park, and that's to go through there we're gonna catch a Elizabeth Quay bus station. So to do that we're going to the other side. Let's just go through this way. That way we'll be able to see the buildings as we walk through. Let's get to the bus, and I think to get to the bus station we'll have to go to the other side, and to get to the other side we'll have to cross from in front. To go this side to get to the bus station or to the train station. Here we are. Yeah. So now let's go to the Elizabeth Quay bus station. Oh, there you go. The station is up. So we have to go up. I'm going to show where this beautiful places go to. Bus station, let's go straight. Yep. That's the convenience. 7, there you go.
Kings Park, so is that what you want?
Yep.
Jump on, I'm going in about 10 seconds.
Perfect.
No, I don't need to hop on, mate, it's all free.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
So it's getting better and better, isn't it?
Yeah, it is indeed.